Hey there, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. I'm in Hollywood, California. I've been coaching for a lot of years, and so today I'm going to talk about this major question that I have and something that I struggled with and something that I receive questions about all the time, and that is the boy's voice changing, the young boy's voice changing. I have my own trauma revolving around this because when my voice started to change when I was about 12, which can typically happen for most boys, the age range is different. You know, some guys start really young, younger than even 12. I started at 12, it started to change a little bit, then 13, different. But then my voice really changed dramatically after I got into high school. So there are variances there. And what I'm saying with every guy, it's going to be, you know, the age is going to be different for everyone, but the fact is it changes. This is the thing that can happen. And I've gone through this so many times. When that kid, and for some reason, it usually happens around 13, there's a dramatic change in their voice. And then if the kid has been singing already, if the boy has been singing earlier, then he's going to think that something horrible has happened and that his voice is just gone and he's never going to be able to do what he could before. That's never true. But I'm going to point out one thing here that's going to help with that and help to start to reverse things. As you start to get older, you guys, what happens is you can feel this. Your voice starts to have more weight. It starts to get deeper, and you feel that. And it's back there. I'm exaggerating it so you get the idea. So now what happens is, as you're doing that, you're forming this habit of always falling back in your throat, and you're feeling really this much older person now, which is a great thing, but we don't want that to restrict your voice. So what I'm going to do and show you on this video is correcting some of your lower notes as your voice is changing. So this weight, as I call it, does not affect your placement, because that's everything about singing. Is about your positioning. It's about your placement. So we're going to talk about that. Now let me go to an exercise here where I'm going to do a little bit of what I call a descending exercise. And we're going to, let me go back here. Let's do it on this one. Now I'm not going to start there. I just want the lower notes here. Sorry. Let's go. Okay. Let's do it. I want to do it on an A. So your voice has gotten hard. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you'll get this. Your voice has gotten deeper. It's heavier now. And it's a, you want to go here. We're going to reverse that. And I'm telling you, if you start to develop this, this is going to save you so much later on in your life. And it takes a while for you to really get this accurately, but you will. So what I'm doing here, because I don't want to have the habit of falling back in my throat, so I'm thinking, as I'm coming down, I'm slightly closing my mouth. Now I'm lifting that weight up instead of allowing the weight of my voice as it has changed to pull me back in my throat. And so in there. Now and the more I close here, I get a cleaner sound because I'm not letting it fall back here. Now there. Right there, and this is a hard place to get, and you will get this eventually. I've got to close and not let this air that's been forming because my voice has gotten heavier, I'm not allowing it to pull me back here. I closed and went up there. It'll take some time, but I'm telling you that will happen. So if you guys who are going through this, you're younger and you've started to sing, your voice will change. Do not worry. You just have to make some adjustments and everything will be brilliant again. That's all it is. All right, I know you guys will get a lot of value out of using this and practicing this technique. So please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, leave your comments, and I will see you on the next video.